stepping in, being there for her whole life, and being willing to step back so that she can have her father in this moment. But I don't think it's fair to her.
It's not her biological. She said what she wanted. It's not unreasonable at all. In fact, it's more than fair. And if he's going to be a baby, then he can miss out. He is going to miss out.
You know what I would do is you kind of like compromise where you're like, okay, Dad, you're going to walk me down the aisle, this and that. But then you don't tell him that you're going to do the first dance with the stepdad. So he gets to share in that big moment. They get to split it equally, you know?
Right.
Yeah, but then you're causing drama there.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
never know. Plus, it's not about her compromising. It's about him compromising.
Yeah.
You were on the right track. Both of them walk her down the aisle. Then, hey, biological dad, you are the only one getting the first dance. So you are getting something else that that's not getting. I think that maybe that is what you propose. As you said, in your both of them walk you down the aisle. That is what you should absolutely do. And if your biological dad refuses to participate, he refuses to participate. Thank you for the DM. You can hit us up anytime. Questions, comments, bad advice on Instagram at Big Big Authority. We are playing the Big Money Minute for $1,000 next.
Every season, you ain't got that pipe, let him rock it till it's leak. Yeah, I'm going through my phone, cause that's the old me. Ain't the only one trying to be my one and only. Real big, moving slow, that body like he a player, but I'm making it, cutting the whole team. That body, looking nice. I got cake in a slice. I push it, pull, try to put me on ice. I ain't never had to chase in my life. I want that nasty, that freaky stuff. Live under my bed and keep me up. That Hansel and Gretel, let him eat me up. Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we can go fast. I'll drive and you just yeah, the sweetest pie. I might take you home with us. I might give you all. Come get your toes up. The sweetest pie. Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. You got me hung up. I'm so high that I'm on another altitude. And on my cloud, I got some space for you. Got a taste for you. Hey. Won't bounce it out, pick it up, put it down. Wanna put his nutty buddy in my fudge round. Tight than the he ain't had it like this. So feeling like they throwing gang signs on crib. One thing about me, I ain't taking no. He will. I know it's novice old Caesar, Milan. I got trained. Sorry, let a dog know who really running things. You've never been heaven, have you? Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Ooh, baby, we can go fast. I'll drive and you just lay back. I got the flavors you like. Yeah, the sweetest pie. I might take you home with us. I might give you all. Come get your toes up. The sweetest pie. Ooh, it's the ride of your life. Hold on, cause baby, I might just give you a bite of the sweetest pie. Real hard, me and the nigga finna get the party lit. Just give you a Big Bay. Talking to my he's trying to bring out the fabulous. If I give a fuck, way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get down, that's how I feel right now. Down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, not the girl I was or used to be. But I might be better. Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay. It's about damn time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, okay. Alright, it's about damn time. Cause you know what time it is. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. I'm coming out tonight. 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 Okay. Alright. Yeah. It's about damn time. Let's play.
Big Money Minute. We're playing with the Lorena. Good morning, Lorena.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. How's your week going, girl?
So far, so good. Slow.
What? Just kind of ease into the week.
Exactly.
All right, Lorena. Well, let's get into the game. 10 questions, a minute on the clock. If you answer them correctly in the minute, we're going to give you $1,000. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right. Good luck. Here we go.
Ready, set, go.
Who is Beyonce married to?
Jay-Z,
Letters that are not vowels. How many years are in a half century?
50.
What's the center of a hurricane called?
I,
What do doctors use to a heartbeat or a patient's breathing?
stethoscope,
What does the second P in PPE stand for?
protective,
Name one of the 2 current hosts of Jeopardy.
she's Blossom.
What's the title of Kamala Harris's husband?
First gentleman,
What animal is the Oakland A's mascot?
elephant,
Who was known as the King of Pop?
Michael Jackson.
You just missed it. We were looking for second gentleman of the United States, not first gentleman.
Uh-oh, did the phone do the crazy thing?
Yes.
Hold on, Lorena, say something.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you sound like a chipmunk, but we can hear you.
Oh no, our phone starts going haywire about this time and it makes people sound like chipmunks.
But you did. Fine, Doctor. My 7-year-old will think it's hilarious.
Yes, they will. Yes, they will. We'll get this back. All right, well, let's run through them.
Oh, well, they were all right. Jay-Z is married to Beyonce. Consonants and vowels. 50 years is half a century. The eye of the hurricane. Stethoscope is used to listen to a heartbeat or breathing. Protective and PPE. That is the second word. Mayim Bialik. How do you say her name? Bialik?
Yeah.
I believe she said that. She said something.
Okay, that's what I was wondering. I didn't think
She said something similar in my ear. Or Ken Jennings, we would have taken that. Second gentleman of the United States. That is the title for Kamala Harris's husband. She said first. Elephant is the mascot for the Oakland A's, Mr. Stomper. And Michael Jackson is the king of pop.
All right, Lorena. Well, thanks for listening. Have a fantastic week, and hopefully we get to play again down the line.
Thank you. Can I give a real quick shout out to my son Sergio, who is the one that we listen every day on our way to school, and he's the one that had me sign up. So thank you, babe. I love you.
I like it better like this. I like the voice better like this. It's more entertaining.
By the way, have a great one. We're coming back with Sound Check, and we're going to play Family Feud in Sound Check. Get ready. Hang on. Wake up. Yeah.
Get on this.
Oh my God, Benny. It's too early.
It's Big Bay Mornings.
Mom, Dad, you should shop Amazon for back to school and save some money. See, I'm currently obsessed with superheroes and need all the superhero stuff. Superhero lunchbox, superhero backpack. But next year, it'll be something else. Maybe dinosaurs? I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller. But I can tell you not to spend a fortune and shop low. Okay, good chat. Amazon. Spend less, smile more.
High school students who learn differently can get a head start on college with online dual enrollment courses from Landmark College. Landmark College is the global leader in educating students with learning differences like dyslexia, ADHD, autism, or executive function challenges. Landmark College dual enrollment while they're still in high school and helps them make the transition to college. Classes start August 29th and scholarships are available /dual to learn more.
Advertisement by Zimmerman Reed of 2381 Rosecrans Avenue, Suite 320, California 90245. Consent is not a condition of purchasing goods or services.
Attention all rideshare and food delivery drivers. If you're a current or former rideshare driver, listen closely, as you may be entitled to significant compensation. That's right, if you drove for a rideshare or food delivery service anytime in the past 3 years, you may be entitled to significant cash for unpaid wages. Mileage. Text REPAY to 323232 right now to see if you qualify for compensation. That's REPAY to 323232. Rideshare and food delivery services may be in violation of federal and state employment laws. If you are a rideshare or food delivery driver part-time anytime during the last 3 years, you may be entitled to significant compensation. Text REPAY to 323232 now to see if you qualify for compensation. Hurry, time is limited, so text the word REPAY to 323232 now. Text REPAY to 3232.
Texting privacy policy and terms and conditions posted at textplan.us. Texting enrolls you for recurring automated text marketing messages. Message and data rates may apply. Reply stop to opt out.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco? Wait. That place with the square pizzas? Or the spot with the name that means horse, tiger. You know, with the ranch dressing. And all the other spots the real SF locals know without us even saying them. They're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Now I'd like to dedicate this heartfelt ballad to Eric's most succulent groovy green salad. It's called Strawberry Fields, and it's totally awesome. Eric's Deli Cafe.
Eric's Strawberry Fields salad is back, but not forever. Baby spinach, grilled chicken, quinoa, mandarin orange, red onion, gorgonzola, slivered almonds, blueberry pomegranate vinaigrette, and fresh local strawberries. The Strawberry Fields salad, now at Eric's Deli Cafe.
Accidents happen at any time to anyone. If you're in an accident, get the care you need and compensation you deserve. Don't pay until they win. Call 800-500-5200 or sweetjames.com.
Staples has everything for school at great prices. So this year you won't go back to school. You'll be forward and build that papier-mâché volcano.
I am not cleaning this up.
Ooh, yeah, I meant the kids. Staples will help them move forward. Right now, Crayola 24-count crayons and 4-ounce Elmer's glue are just 50 cents each, and 1-inch binders are $9. Everything on your list at amazing prices. Staples, we're not going back. We're going forward to school. Ends 8/27 in store, only limit 30.
Start your future at a California community college. Able to help with tuition, books, and sometimes even the rent. It's time to take the next big step. Classes can fill up quickly, so enroll today at icangotocollege.com.
Big Bay Mornings.
Wake up
with Benny, Nikki, and Greg.
That is normal?
That is normal.
997.
Bay Mornings. Sound check.
And welcome edition of Sound Check. Fast Money Round. You got my theme song there? All right, thanks. All right. Are you the man, Steve Harvey? I'm the man, Steve Harvey. Oh my God. All right, Nikki.
Okay.
Fast Money Round. I'm going to start with you, then I'm going to go to Greg. Quickly, name a month of the year with 5 letters. 1, 2, 3. And Greg.
March.
Ding, 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 ding.
Rose. The look on my face was like, it has 3 letters. What other
Yeah, I mean,
months
it's
are there?
hard. It's not easy.
Well, it wasn't easy for Boyz II Men. They were on Celebrity Family Feud, and the 2 members that played Fast Money Round were given that same question. Here were the responses. We'll start with the first guy.
Name a month of the year with 5 letters. You said, straight up thought that, oh man. Survey said.
Okay, first guy said July.
Okay.
Big Fat 0.
Yeah.
Next guy rose up for his turn. Fast Money Round.
Name a month of the year with 5 letters.
August.
August.
Come on, man.
Listen, there's a lot of pressure, Steve.
Name a month of the year with 5 letters.
Steve.
All we need is 9 damn people that don't know that it's 2 U's in August. You said August. Survey said.
There's only 2 that I can think of just right.
Yeah.
April's the other one.
Mm-hmm.
Is there any more? No, I have to go through them like the
No, just March and
September,
April.
October, November, December, January, February.
I
Yeah.
just figured being quiet is better than yelling out May.
July out in the world. August, maybe if you're, thinking without thinking, like, oh, that could be 5 or 6. But July is clearly 4.